Alright, question 3, diagram 3.1 shows three types of protein structures. We have structure P, structure Q, and structure R. Okay, and then E, state one example of a substance for each of the protein structure of Q and R. Okay, so basically for protein structure Q, as you can see, it is composed of interaction between what we call as alpha helix and beta pleated sheet. And this is the two form of secondary protein structure. Okay, so the interaction between these two structure will form Q, which is the tertiary protein structure. And then R here, what we call as quaternary protein structure, which is a protein that consists of more than one amino acid chain, where each polypeptide chain is referred to as the subunit. Okay. And then B, explain how the monomer of proteins form structure P. Okay, so monomer is famously known as the building block of protein with total of 20 amino acid monomer. And it is formed through condensation process where the amino acid will combine to form peptide bond with the release of water molecules. Okay, and then C, diagram 3.2 shows the biochemical processes involving molecules S and T that occur in intestine. Okay, and then name S and T. So S here is the lactase and T is lactose. So basically, the information that given to us is the formation of galactose and glucose. So galactose is a monosaccharide. And when combined with glucose, which is also a monosaccharide, through condensation process, that will result in the formation of disaccharide lactose. But when there is hydrolysis of lactose, the galactose are catalyzed by enzyme lactase. So galactose will form. Okay, and then number 2, what are the two characteristics of S based on diagram 3.2? Okay, so S is the lactase, meaning that it is an enzyme. So the enzyme have specific active site and do not undergo any change of shape. Okay, and D, diagram 3.3 shows a shirt with blood stain, where the shirt was washed with washing powder that contain enzyme protease at temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. Okay, so there is a blood stain on the t-shirt and the result after the washing. Explain the result of the shirt wash. Okay, so the blood stain is remain, meaning that the temperature is too high, so causing denaturation of enzyme protease. Okay, so basically the enzyme protease is the common enzyme that are used in detergent powder nowadays. But in a study finds out that optimum temperature of protease is usually around 40 degrees Celsius. So above 50 degrees Celsius, the activity start to decrease, meaning that denaturation happen. So that's why blood stain is still remain even after the shirt being washed.